Today we present to you ANENG's pen multimeter, slim fuselage. It's like a pen, very powerful, like induced voltage. Quickly find a location with electricity. There's electricity. There is a beep on the live file. It is a line of fire. The zero line is unresponsive. Easy to find the line of fire. Comes with flashlight lighting. It is very convenient to find the line in low light. You can also use the induced voltage to find the line breakpoint, without touching. There's a beep. There's electricity. It doesn't ring here. That's where the breakpoint is. High definition screen display numeric units. You plug it in, and it's a multimeter. Check the DC voltage of the battery. Detect the line voltage of the computer power supply. Automatic identification of AC voltage. Press the side hold key to preserve the value. Automatic identification resistance. Range is also automatic. Measurement knob control is good or bad. Line conduction detection. If it rings, it will be turned on. It won't ring when touched. That doesn't work. Breakpoint. That's how the insurance tube is good or bad. Diode detection. Forward conduction. Have value. Reverse cutoff. It's a good diode. Detect LED lamp beads. The capacity of the detection capacitor. Be careful to discharge the power first. General capacitance is also good within the nominal plus or minus 5%. Frequency detection of alternating current. Very accurate measurement of 50 Hz. The batch head can be screwed out and replaced. The fuselage has a pen holder to hang on. Powered by 2 AA batteries. Long-lasting battery life.